Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to earn money on Robinhood Easy Guide. Begin by opening an account and linking a bank to fund trades, then enable two-factor authentication. Next, choose a simple strategy like dividend investing or small frequent trades. Start with amounts you can afford to lose and use limit orders to control entries. Track progress weekly and adjust risk slowly as you gain confidence. In this video, I will explain how to earn money on Robinhood Easy Guide. Start by picking a strategy that matches your risk and time horizon, such as dividend investing, growth stocks, or swing trading. Use fractional shares if you have limited funds to diversify across names. Apply dollar cost averaging to buy consistently and avoid market timing. Always set realistic profit goals and stop losses to manage downside. In this video, I will review how to earn money on Robinhood Easy Guide. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful clips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep simple and save time on busy trading days, plus they stack neatly in your fridge. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to earn money on Robinhood Easy Guide. Protect capital by setting stop losses and using position sizing based on your tolerance. Avoid putting too much into one stock or sector to reduce catastrophic risk. Rebalance periodically to keep your allocation aligned with goals and take profits when targets are met. Keep an emergency cash buffer and never invest money you need short-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.